out back.
We'll go out. You won't go through there. Oh. That's something out. Trail flood. Then there's probably someone coming up behind us, so we're still not going out. That's where you gonna go?
2 rocks at once, back up.
Yeah.
He's got his ARB bumper is actually straight at the bottom. Almost all of that bottom little thing is kind of caved in a little bit.
I haven't sprayed mine this last time because I'm just going to put a roller there. It'll work for winching and it'll work for rocks.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, just plate the back side of it, put a Delron roller there, maybe even a steel roller for the rocks.
Okay, go ahead and lock. That's a good idea.
We're starting to get into the bug. I'd say third, getting close to half. The last half is the tough half. But it's fun too. We have a nice option. We got a wall we climb, but we have to climb. It's always good for pictures because you always wave a little bit when you come over it. It's nice.
I'm stuck like this.
Oh, hell yeah. Excellent.
Yeah.
Very thoughtful.
Seems to do that a lot. Drag stuff around with that big old butt of his.
Don't move anywhere. He's right behind you, but when you're going to go back, you want your wheels a little bit straighter.
Okay.
That helps kind of slide this big one around.
Avery.
You need him to drive on it. Yeah, it's getting a little bit nasty. What if we roll that boulder into a hole?
Now, go up that rock. You're going to hit one here too.
Daddy!
Okay, go forward.
Yeah.
Take a picture of
Drive
it.
side and slow.
Nice and easy.
Okay.
Hard left.
Right there. Catch that little rock. That's perfect.
So is that what I was in right there? That hole? Okay.
Looking good. It's going to slip a little bit. You should come up.
Keep going.
Down. Stay that
Keep
line.
hard left.
Nice and easy. Okay.
Couldn't tell what was going on.
This way.
Yeah, that's the problem.
There you go. Perfect. I'm going to straighten it out just a little bit. Nice. Straight. Good. I'm going to hit right here. And you're up.
I have to grab my rig. I could roll that rock into the hole.